Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is KUBBIEOVE, but you can call me Kubi if you can't pronounce that. But I do encourage you to learn how to pronounce my name. Okay. I will not worry about the things that I cannot control. That's today's affirmation. So I started this series. I always start series that I never finish. Anyway, child, I started this series on my TikTok. Where I match my makeup to an emoji, and today I decided to bring that over to YouTube. So the emoji that I'm going to be using is this emoji right here. So basically I have to do my makeup to match the colors in this emoji. That's what I'm going to do today, like I said. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to do one eye, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I achieved the look. See ya. This is the eye look that we're going to be doing. I'm so excited because it looks so beautiful. Ignore the patchwork with the eyeliner. Wow, this is amazing. Let's get into it. Today, as usual, I'm going to be using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. This. So I'm going to be using Blackberry, Grape, and Bloom. So those are the colors that I'm going to be using today. Taking this brush from Outlashed London. It doesn't have a number, but I'm going to be using it to pack on the Blackberry eyeshadow. I haven't worked with purple in such a long time, and it's one of my favorite colors. You know what? I actually forgot to do something. I'm going to have to add a lighter base so that my eyeshadow will pop. So I want the colors to really show, so I'm going to add that. This is the ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 10. This is what I use most of the time. Sometimes I use the LA Girl Pro concealer. I don't remember what shade, but it's kind of like this. So to blend that out, I'm just taking this e.l.f. brush and I'm going to tap. Alright guys, so we're back again with the voiceover. As you can see, I am packing on the shade Blackberry. I'm deepening my crease with that shade, and I'm also going to go back a few times to make the color more prominent. Next, I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Grape and try and diffuse the edges of Blackberry. I'm gonna go into Pink Lily. This is like a bright pink. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and for that I'm using the same ColourPop concealer, the matte full coverage concealer in the shade Light 10, and I'm just using a concealer brush to apply that. Going back to the eyeshadow, I'm starting off with Bloom, which is this really nice bright pink shade. And then besides that, I'm placing Grape. And I'm just going to use Grape on the wing of this cut crease. And yeah, before I put on my glitter, I'm using the Duo Eyelash Glue to act as an adhesive for my glitter. So I'm just patting that all over my eyelid where I cut my crease. And today I'm using the glitter from Eedas Atelier. I can't really see the name, but I'm going to definitely put that in the description box below. So check that out. For my eyeliner, I'm using Beats by Deb's water-based eyeliner. And that is in the shade Snowflake. So guys, I messed up this part because it was too watery and the eyeliner started dripping into the glitter. I was so upset, but I ended up fixing it. What I did was I just put some glitter back on top of it. I'm sorry this is blurry, but yeah, that's how I fixed it. Alright, so moving on to my face makeup, I'm priming with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is my favorite primer for whenever I'm trying to achieve a dewy look. If I want a matte look, I usually use the Maybelline primer, the matte primer. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick in the shade 360 Mocha. My favorite foundation, guys. I love it so much. On top of that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335 to conceal my under eye. And then before I blend everything out, I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray. And then I'm just taking this kabuki brush from Colourpop Cosmetics to blend everything out. Once my foundation is blended out, I'm going in with a wet beauty blender to blend out that concealer. And notice that I let it sit on for a little bit. This is just to let it dry a little and just get tacky. Because I find that to be very, very effective when it comes to like creasing and stuff. When it's not too runny, it doesn't like sit in the lines as much as it would if it was like a little bit tacky. For bronzing, I'm using this eyeshadow from my Juvia's Place, I think Zulu palette. As you can see, it hit the pan. This is my favorite bronzer, so to say. To set my under eye, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder, the translucent one. And as you can see, I blended out my under eye again. That was to get rid of any creasing that had been there while I was bronzing. So I blended out first, then I set my face. So now I'm contouring. It's been a minute since I actually contoured my nose because I feel like I don't need it. So I just went in with the same eyeshadow I used as a bronzer and that small brush and just tried to bring back some definition to my face. And then I'm using a pink eyeshadow from another Juvia's Place palette as my blush. I went in with the Maybelline Molten Gold Highlighter, finished my under eye, and that was it.
Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right.